Good morning. I'm just working on past some of my videos to edit. It's Saturday. Yep, I got these 2 days off. Great. And I have my little baby here. Let's go to the kitchen. So today I need to clean a little of all this mess. And yeah, it was a really lazy day for me yesterday. I didn't feel like doing anything. My week was so hard, so much to do, and I don't think that I wanted to spend one of my days off just cleaning and cleaning. So that's the reason I did it. And now I have a lot to catch up, but it's okay. I will do what I can do. Let's go to see the fish. They are all happy. Every time that they see me, they think that I have food. I have my yellow duck here, and there they are, all happy. The big ones sometimes make them chase from one side to another. I haven't go to get more fish, but maybe I will go after work tomorrow, right? In the bathroom, I have another project. Long time ago, these ones were failing, so we have to do a replacement of things here, and I never patch this part. I still need to do a lot on this bathroom. It's a lot on that wall. This house needs so much, but when you buy a house that is almost 100 years old, that's what happened. So anyway, and the other thing is like the wallpaper is kind of coming out there. I got the glue to put together. So this will be a project that we need to tackle today while I'm doing also the cleaning. And it's not only there, it's in different parts. You see there. I think that side, no. Here maybe a little, just a tiny. Another. Oh, that part will be hard to go. Not too much space, but we will do it. We will work on this today. We can do it. I need to get my computer set. I need to edit part of the video that I worked yesterday. I checked today because today was post the crafting video. And something that I noticed is like, I really don't get a lot of people that want to watch those videos. So I think I will give another week, one more week doing the my planner videos. If it's still being that people don't want to do it, so we have one more Saturday, I will move any planner video to my crafting channel. I don't want people running away from here, but I got people that asked me, some friends that asked me to show more in detail and everything because they enjoyed and me talking in the video. And then I feel like maybe it's better to move that. I don't know. I have to think about, it's my channel. I know I decide what to do, but I want to do something that I remember that it was fun to do and everybody also enjoyed. I don't know, it makes sense. I hope so. Okay, I need to get things going, and I will do it without too much talking because in that way it goes faster in this video and it's not so long. Okay, let's do it.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
we don't have a lot of sun, so maybe they will not get so tired. We'll see. Oh, so cute. So cute. Good morning. It is Sunday, my last day of the week. I'm in the parking spot lot. I'm supposed to work in 30 minutes. I usually arrive like 15 minutes early. And I was thinking, what a lazy day. No, what a lazy weekend for me, but I was needing that. And sadly for today, last night I received a message from one of the managers and said, by the way, Caroline, one of my cashiers and head cashier, call out for tomorrow. And I'm like thinking, all this week been really hard for me. I'm not trying to play victim, but I feel tired. I feel really tired this week. I don't know. I hope the next week be better. My eyes also were itching so much today. I better don't touch. I don't know if it's the allergy thing. People is arriving. I think it's better that I go now in. Let's hope this day go a little better. I think after work I will go to the pet shop to see if they have new fish. God, my face looks so ugly right now in this video. Anyway, that's how I look right now. I see you in few. To get some sweets. We're still doing the celebration, it's all the month. And today will be some kind of goodies to get from the, like, I don't know, I will have to check. No worries, the company pay, no me. I'm in your way. I'm trying to find a way that doesn't look so messy with everything, you know? Arriving from work and I need to do the laundry that I didn't do on my days off. I was too lazy, but it was a nice time to relax, and I think this will be good. Okay, let's see if we can get everything done today, or part of this today and tomorrow. In that movie, you will see. I know I have more. I know. Yes. Movies. Two. I found two. But one I cannot watch because he's... We'll see what I do. Okay. So two more. And I think I will have to, because they are some of my favorite movies, I will have to buy it in Prime, the ones that I don't have. So I have these three. I watched already the number one, it was in Prime. I think it's this the next one. And And then I have to check this, what is behind. I need to go and finish my laundry. Oh, I have a lot of laundry to do. I have a lot to do. Okay, at least we got the shirts. This is my work shirts. I'm so lucky that I have always an extra one. Let me put this in some place. So I can be lazy for one day and not have my shirts done. But only one day. Well, actually, because we have the celebrations right now, I can be lazy for 2 days. They gave me a new shirt. We always get in the year a new shirt, and that is great. So I guess I got the most important thing that I need in the laundry. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm ready for the week. I have only 4 days left. Black is Monday. Tuesday is usually between this one. Yeah, Tuesday. Wednesday is safety red. This will be Thursday. This is supposed to be Saturday because of the common friends that we are doing. But and then I have this one that I need to iron, and the blue that I took off. That's all. I don't buy my shirts. I usually get this from work. The only ones that I bought is this red because I needed red, and a blue one because I really wanted to have a blue, but no more. And he's waiting. Oh, I had to change this battery. I forgot that. I also was going through my stack of papers and everything, and I was planning to do some goodie bags for my cashiers. I wanted to, this is one of the bags, make like a little window so it will be the bag in that way, but I don't have enough. 8 and 16, and they are 18 or 20. I always do like 20, so I have extra, so maybe I will change for another project. Still like trying to figure it out. I have time, but it's better to be ready than let the days go, right? And now I will go to my movies. But I was going to watch the next one of Resident Evil. And that is 2004. Yes. Let's watch this one. More Halloween movies. Is 6:05 p.m. 6:05 in the afternoon. So after this, I think I'm going to bed.